All right, here we go. 13 on the practice test. So given these graphs, state the number of real zeros. That's pretty easy. Just how many times it crosses on the x-axis. Nice. Let's see here. So this one, wow. So if this is the x-axis, which it is, it doesn't cross at all. Wow. So it doesn't touch. So that means they're all going to be imaginary. So it doesn't touch the x-axis at all. So that means number of real zeros, 0. This one it touches there and crosses there. So that would be 2. And then this 1, 2, 3. Because it's 3, let's see. Oh, no, because it goes up and down and it goes in opposite directions, this will be an odd degree function. This one will be an odd degree function. This one will be an even degree. So when they're just talking about the degree, if you look in the directions of the practice test, it's talking about the degree, even or odd degree. Awesome. So just if they're going the same direction, it's even. If they're going in different directions, odd. Okay, so relative minimum and maximum, this one's going to be kind of tricky. So I'm guessing this is 1, 2, 3. So we have a maximum, relative maximum, at 0, 3. 0 on the x and 3 on the y. So it's just the coordinate of the maximum right here. Now the minimum, evil. That is so hard to tell. That's ridiculous. So that's going to be over, let's see, that's 2, this is 1. So this will be 1.5. So that's ridiculous. This will be like 1.25. Wow. And then this one will be like 0.75. So evil. So the relative minimum will be at 0.5 and then 1.2. Wait, the other way around. The y value is 0.75 high, not quite 1. So 0.7. No, I did it again. So 1.25 and then 0.75, almost 1. And then the one over here will be a negative over this direction, right? So over that direction. Ooh, but that one's a bit further. Let me double check this. So that's 1, 1.25, 1.5. That's 1. Wait a second. So that here is actually 1. Yep, so again, it'll be 1.25. Nice. So it'll be negative 1.25, but then still positive 0.75. So negative 1.25 and then 0.75. Those are our two minimums. Okay, this one's easy. Our maximum is just at 0, 0. Yeah, maximum. And then our relative minimum is at about over 2. And then, no, 2's right there, Newbold. Over 1 and then down negative 2. So over 1, down 2. If you said like, oh, something evil, like, well, really, Mr. Newbold, that is approximately 0.90 or something, 0.9, and down negative 2.1. I'd still give it to you, but really that looks nicer. Okay, awesome. And then this relative maximum, that's at 1, so 0, 1, not too bad. Maximums seem to be easier than the minimums. And then down here is negative 2, so over negative 2. And then down negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So that was not a bad minimum there. They should have put that on the test. So negative 2 for the x, and then down negative 3 for the y. So that's how you do maximum minimum. Does that make sense, the maximum minimum? Just finding the coordinates, the x and y coordinates. That's 0, 1, and that's left 2, down 3, so that would be, you little, wow, that was weird. So that'd be down 3, so that'd be negative 2, negative 3 is the coordinate for the, we didn't really do too much homework with that, just on the practice test, so hopefully you picked that up okay. Okay, so our end behavior here as x goes to the left, negative infinity, y goes upwards, positive infinity, they both go upwards, positive infinity. So as we go to the right, positive infinity, y goes to positive infinity. Now this one you can look at it, it's actually as we go to the left, it's negative infinity. So as x goes to the left, negative infinity, y goes down to negative infinity. There we go. And then as x goes to the right, positive infinity, y goes upwards to positive infinity. Nice. Then the end behavior over here, is the opposite. As we go to the left to negative infinity, right? -4, -5, negative infinity. Y goes up to positive infinity. So as x goes to the left, negative infinity, y goes up to positive infinity. And then opposite here, as x goes to the right, positive infinity, y is actually going down to negative infinity. Cool. So know how to do those ones on the test. They're not too bad. Know how to do those ones. Don't forget Pascals. 101, Pascals. Don't forget Pascals on our test. So row 3, remember 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. So there's row 3. So we'll do 1, 3, 3, 1. We'll take that first term, different color, maroon. And we'll put x everywhere. And then we'll do our powers, row 3. So that's 3, 2, 1, 0. Then we'll do a different color. Gavin, Tatum, what's your favorite color? Dark pink? Yeah. Dark pink. So then we'll take the second term, 5, and we'll write that in there everywhere. Awesome. And then instead of doing 3, 2, 1, 0, we'll do the opposite then, 0, 1, 2, 3. Awesome. There we go. And so then 5, then we take each one of these individually, right? And just double checking that each term just kind of adds up and, well, we're just multiplying it. So 5 to the 0, anything to the 0 goes away, just becomes a 1. 1 times x cubed is just x cubed. 5 to the first power is just 5 times 3 is 15. X squared. 5 squared is 25, and then 25 times 3 is 75. X. And the next to the 0 is just a 1. 1 times 1 is, 5 to the third power. So that's going to be 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. So Pascal's not too bad. Definitely need to review and practice that if you're not good at it. Don't forget for number 14 to use row 4 is after 1, 3, 3, 1, which is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, just by adding each of these. So pause me. You try number 14. Pause me. You try 14. Pause me. So you're going to pause me, and you try 14. Jackson, Jack, Katie, Coda, Ben, Aaron, name drop, Emily. You wanted me to say in my video, there's your name. Pause me, and then do it on your own, and then try it, Annabelle. Yes, Sam. Yeah, Isaac. Yeah, Alyssa. Yeah, Lindsay. Excellent. Maybe. Or Lindsay Walthus? I don't know how to say it. I think so. Yeah, Walthus. Okay, awesome. Okay, so then make sure we're doing these right, which we are. So this next one will be 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Awesome. So we'll write that out. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Wow, that's not a lot of room. Okay, so row 4. Let's go ahead and move down a little bit there. So then row 4, let's see here. So we're going to do 1, spread it out. Kind of like when the cop pulls you out of the car. Spread it out there. Hands on your head. Okay, there we go. So then we're going to take our first term, which is 3x, and we're going to write it everywhere. So 3x, 3x, 3x. Don't forget how to do Pascal's. 3x everywhere. Remember, our powers go descending first. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ooh, forgot 3x here. And then that's it. And then we'll take our maroon color, Gavin's favorite. Pink. That's it. And then we'll do -2 everywhere. So that -2 is going to change the signs of every single one. Well, not every of them, because when we square it, it will stay positive. But when it's an odd power, it'll be negative. So 0 will go away. That'll make it negative. Squaring will make it positive. Cubing it will make it negative. And then power 4 will make it positive again. Awesome. So now what we're going to do now is just go through each one of these and combine them. So -2 to 0 goes away. It just becomes a 1. Remember to distribute that 4 through. So 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. X to the 4th power. Excellent. Then the next one is 3 times 3 is, or 3 to the 3rd power is 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 is 27. So we have 27x to the third power, still times the negative 2, still times 4. And so you multiply those all out. The negative goes in front. So 4 times 27 times 2. Hopefully we did this right. Looking at this answer key, because I don't have my calculator, is 216 x to the third power. Awesome. Then we have negative 2 times 2 is 4. 3 squared is 9. X squared times 6. And so 36 times 6 is also 216. X squared. Awesome. Then we have plus negative 2 times 2 negative 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 times 4 is negative 32. And then times the 3 is negative 96. So not positive. It's going to be a negative 96x. And then anything 0 power goes away is 1. Negative 2 to the fourth power is 16. So hopefully you got that one right, so you can ace it on the test. Thanks for watching. Make sure you go to my next video where we'll be going over, given one polynomial, find the others. Something we didn't really practice in class. So definitely watch this next video, because you don't know how to do this. Well, you do synthetic division or long division, and then just do some more factoring. Not too bad. So definitely watch our next video. Whoa.